It's stupid, this fear of
No, it's not
running on
fear.
Nexus.
It's just
It
I
is,
think
man.
it's
It is fear.
convenience. I think it's
No, dude,
convenience.
it's more convenient to actually use Nexus. But anyway,
I'm not
no.
gonna discuss this now.
Yeah, let's
It's
go.
it's a junior versus a senior opinion. I'm not gonna go through
Dude, I was a junior one day.
it.
So anyway,
This was the best. Okay. Okay, so I actually don't quite remember. We have a game loop. I
this
think it's
Nexus
related to
junior.
that.
We needed to do. Can you run the thing? Let's run and see where we stopped. I think I remember.
How do I go down? Oh, like this. Yeah. Okay, so you see the cube there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we need to do today is to basically add time, like basically remove the necessity of pressing enter, right? I don't know if that's
We can
possible
do
though.
that. I,
And we also have the problem of um, the rotation.
rotation on the border, right? But only with some specific
Yeah,
stuff.
another square.
Okay, that was very lucky. Okay,
Okay. Let's try to think how can we break rotate basically,
I
and
think this
then
one
there,
doesn't break.
there, there, and then now we're gonna rotate, right?
Yeah, I think this one doesn't break.
And rotate. Yeah, this doesn't
Yeah,
break. Okay.
try on the
Uh,
left.
Rotate. Rotate again. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's fine.
Yeah, this one is totally
I
fine.
think the problem is only on the L's and the other S, if I'm not mistaken. Another square, man. What the
Another
heck?
square. Okay.
My eyes, man. My eyes are burning with this. Zeros and ones.
It's zeros and
Okay,
ones.
this one. This one. Try on the left first.
Okay. Rotate. Yeah, it broke.
Yeah, so that one is stuck,
Yeah, it's totally
which
stuck.
I have no idea of what is the problem with that thing.
I think it needs to be the has collision function.
No,
I'm
I agree.
99% sure. Uh, okay. So what we need to do, we need to try to discover how
I
exactly
let's think first of what could be causing that. How does that
this.
happen? Let's try to make the algorithm. It is sort of like this. If you have a piece like that, you go to the border, and if you rotate in the border, the topmost position of the piece gets stuck on the wall because it goes like out of bounds.
Yeah, no,
But it doesn't break.
it isn't that because if it is out of bounds, we shouldn't allow
No,
this.
okay, yes. I'm not saying like it should be catching that, or well, it should. But like, my point is, it's in the permissible part of out of bounds, right? Because we can like put like zeros, for example, on that column. So we have like a frame that you can imagine out of this board, which is fine. My only problem is that only happens when you rotate. So what could be? So what could the rotation be causing on that case?
Actually, I don't know about that. Let's try. The problem is that
Yeah,
this
that just
piece is
happens when
totally
you rotate.
inconvenient. Okay, now it's
Yeah.
gonna be the final test. I'm gonna go A again. Let's see if this gets stuck.
Yeah, it does. Oh no, it doesn't.
It
What the
doesn't.
fuck?
Yeah, so you're right. So it needs to be rotation related.
No, actually, yeah, okay. Yeah, this one should also get stuck.
Yeah, no, if I rotate, yes.
Rotate.
No, the rotation didn't stuck the piece. It
So
was
it
only on
doesn't
the
get.
left. It was only on the left, I
Dude,
guess.
the only thing I see it getting common in the left is the fact that it has the topmost position there.
Yeah, that's kind of.
You see what I mean? Like, that's why I'm suspicious of that thing. Because it's the only. Try this one. Yeah, it's a good
No, it
one to
broke.
try.
It totally broke.
Yeah, but let's see. Like, you transpose it, and okay, now the topmost position is out of the ball. Yeah, it doesn't quite match.
No,
I
no,
don't
but
know.
it's the ones. I think it's because it only gets stuck if we have a one outside. So I think that is something like here or here. It's wrong because
You a
like
dumb. We could do a dumb check. Like if you have a one that is out of bounds, um, after a rotation, then you just like move the piece
Ah,
to the left or the right.
no,
So
but that
that's
that's a very not good way of debugging this, man.
yeah,
Because we're gonna
but
have to
that's
add a
a
bunch of ifs here.
no. Yes, we will, but that's a solution. It's better than not having one. So
Yeah, but let's try a different solution because this is checking if we have the value of that like pixel in this case, which is a one, a zero, or a one.
mhm.
We are checking to see if this is one, and we are checking if this is out of bounds. This in combination should trigger the thing itself. Wait, wait. I'm confused now. Because if the thing
Everybody
is
is.
out of bounds, isn't the case that if it is a 1, we should return new?
Say it again.
If we are out of bounds
Yeah.
and the value is a 1, we should say collision, right?
Yes, I think so.
Oh no, but that's what's happening here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but that's an or, right? So it's the current state, the current value, or the is
Yeah,
piece.
it's a logic for to doing accumulation.
Oh wait. Oh, what
We
the
are
fuck?
doing Yeah, we are doing
Okay, no, never mind. Yes.
if we get one collision with the entire
Mm-hmm.
piece, we already say
Yeah.
it's collision.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what I want to do that I actually don't remember how to do anymore. Oh man, I'm with Go in mind, so I almost did this. Format true this, and then something weird like this, and I think there's also this.
Yes.
And then I want to do is piece one. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do.
You gotta print something else. Like the A is a mask for printing. It's like the percentage S. Yes. In that case, you will print in new line.
Okay, so let's try to do this, and I also want to have a new board because this is already complicated to play. Okay, okay, let's try, I don't know, S. Okay, here it is. So where is the print? It's not printing though. So let's try D. What the? No, here.
You're in the middle. Yeah.
Where is the print? Oh, here. No. Yeah, where is the print, man?
Yeah, it's not hitting
Oh, it's
there.
because it's not
But
out
like,
of bounds.
yeah,
Okay.
the condition is just out of
Yeah.
bounds.
Okay, so let's try to make it. Okay, we have a bunch of news now.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna rotate. This should print at some point. Wait. Uh,
How many? What is the
wait.
piece we have there? It's a three by
We have
three.
this.
How many news? One, two, three, four, five, six. We have six news. Okay, I think it makes
I
sense
think it
because
makes sense. Yeah, I think it
we're
makes
checking
sense.
for
Yes.
each line of that last column plus the lines
Yeah,
that are
pretty much. Okay,
corresponding in the channel.
let's try rotation now. These should provide at least one true, right?
Hmm. I think so.
We have a true here,
All right.
but it allowed the
Wait,
rotation.
but wait a second. We have a
What the hell?
true, new, and then it set on new. You see?
No, no, but this isn't set because we are doing an OR. So if you have a true at some point, it's gonna reverberate alongside the loop. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, but then I have a question. So this means that the return of this needs to be true, man. So let's try that. So where are we calling it has collision? Here.
Go back to the function. I want to see something.
Where?
What if the thing that is changing? Go back there to the
Okay.
collision.
Here.
Because you see that there is the else.
Yes.
I am thinking, is couldn't it be the else that is overwriting the
No,
value of?
it can't because it's also a accumulator.
Let me see. Yeah. Okay.
It doesn't really matter what is this.
Yeah.
Um, because if we got one true here,
Mhm.
this necessarily needs to mean that we already have a collision and something is really wrong.
That's the
I
kind of error I think we could capture with types.
Oh, totally. A bunch of different things we can capture with types, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Prog and let's do format. Format. Wait, how many parentheses is this crap?
That's right.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Format.
Actually,
No, I'm
let me
gonna remove
see.
this new. I'm gonna remove this
Ah,
new.
okay, yeah. It's the else.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this. No. I'm here. That's it, pretty much. And then new. No, not this. This. Nice. Like this. Okay. So what should happen now is I'm. Oh, this piece is not great. Okay, let's go down. I'm really curious how we're gonna solve the enter problem, by the way.
We are gonna solve. Yes, I have no idea. Without that library, I have no idea.
Um, okay. Okay, I think this is okay because now we can put it here.
Mhm.
Rotate. It didn't work. So yeah, and this is good.
I think we fixed the straight. Remember, like I think the
Oh, the
straight.
straight is a special case.
Yeah. The
Man,
only
but
problem
only
is
the
the
fact that
L's.
this is kind of working, man. This is already like pretty cool. Even this works. Okay. I think this piece is also broken though, so let's try. Um, no.
I think it
Rotate,
will break.
rotate, rotate, D, and now rotate. Yeah, but it's saying I'm here. What the?
What? What?
What the
Okay, so it's
crap?
all right.
This needs to mean that something is fundamentally wrong, man. Because if this is correct, like we have a collision, why the heck the piece updated
Let's
itself?
try to backtrack. So we have a collision and it returns new. What happens? Like, where is this move adjustments being called? Can you go there? It's on the attempt to move, right?
Wait. Attempt to move. No, yes. But then the
Oh,
move adjustment is
wait,
calling here.
wait a second. Okay, makes sense.
Wait, now I want to know because we're gonna do a function call, right? So but we are copying first. This is what I'm not getting because if we are copying,
Mm-hmm.
this needs to be a
Needs to
new.
modify the dummy, not
Yeah,
the.
exactly. And then if we are going through here, we are not doing this. And if you're not doing this, the piece should remain the same. What the? I'm so
Let's try
confused
to
right
make
now.
a. Let's try to make a table algorithm.
Uh,
I don't know if that's the name in English, but anyway.
Wait, before doing that, I want to try something else. So format T, um, this, no, this, and then pause, piece. Can I do multiple? Yeah, I can, right? So,
Yeah, you just had the A.
uh,
But I recommend you add like something extra apart from the space.
yeah, like I enter,
Yeah.
like this.
Uh,
Representation piece. Okay, now this is this is the, oh man, another square. Ugh.
Yeah, we're getting too many squares, man.
Okay, this piece doesn't help. Uh, yeah, it's kind of here. Uh, okay, straight. Another one that doesn't help.
Man, we're very unlucky.
Another one.
Oh, man. Did you save the code of like the
Yes.
that we did with Commander to clear the lines?
Actually,
It
I
didn't
think
clear the lines, but
yeah.
it works for that.
Oh, yeah, but I remember asking him to send. So check it. We need to remember which chat was that.
I think it was programming. Let me check. Programming
Finally, this will
one.
break. Okay, nice. Um, rotate, rotate, left, left, and now rotate. Yeah, it is changing the representation. What the fuck?
It is changing the representation. I'm not looking. What happened?
Look,
Let me
this
see.
this is this piece, man. Like it's just missing one here, and it's 7 and -1, which means that somebody is changing the thing. Let's read rotate again, man. I'm kind of thinking that
Wait,
is.
so it marked that it has collision,
Yeah, it marked
and
that it had
then
collision. It
and then
is
it
negative.
updated the piece.
It updated the position to 7 -1.
What?
Um,
Okay, I
I'm
don't.
kinda thinking that the copy is kind of wrong now.
It could be.
The copy is wrong. Um,
Yeah, man, I'm not finding.
okay. I don't think this will work, but I will try regardless. So copy piece.
Yeah, man, I just see like me and Nata being.
Piece, and let's transform this to a let star. Okay. Oh, how nice! Another straight. Uh, let's reset this board.
I think we
Yes.
gotta set priorities for the.
No, I think
What
this
can I
is the
say?
most priority, the rotation, because I
No, no, no,
remember.
no, no. Like no, I was saying like for the like weights, not priority. Like for the spawns, because like on Tetris normally, like it's often like normie pieces. They're not like straight all the time because straight is like a special piece.
No, no, no. But you can have 2 straights in a row. I already played, and I got that. Like this seems pretty random to me. It's just inconvenient because it's not all pieces that we can use to debug this. Like a square. Okay, this one we can use. Okay, so this should break, right?
Yeah.
So go. Yeah, it broke. Totally broke. It's thinking that it is in the correct in the like 3 1s here. 1 0 0 0 0 0. It is changing the thing. So what I didn't change anything at all. Yeah, so doing like this didn't change anything. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that the copy is wrong. I think that the copy is kind of wrong. We need to read this again.
Dude, the problem is that we are copying references. Like I hate this.
No, we are making a new instance, by the way. Wait.
Let me see. So we make a new instance.
Wait, man. Setf does what?
Well, it sets like the if
Yeah,
it's a
no, but
global
it is
object.
doing in a reference way.
Oh yeah, if you're
Oh,
setting on the object, it will set.
no, it will set, but I'm asking about.
Yeah, the memory. Yes, I think so.
So that's the problem.
Why? Can you look at the code? I can see.
Yeah, here.
What's the
Look.
issue? But we're not setting the new piece. Just the we're not setting the piece. Just the new piece.
No, but we are using the same object that we received as a parameter.
Oh, okay, we're copying the references. Oh man, that's stupid.
Yeah, we need to clone all that also, but I don't know how to do that.
Oh wait, can you go back? Let me see. Let's do a test. Before you clone that, do a program.
Before I clone it, do a
Do a,
program
no, yeah. After this line, do enter.
after this.
Yes, enter.
Uh, no man, I wait. I will do that.
Here's what I want to do. I want to do a program and add inside the printing the piece, and then after you set F, print the piece again. You see?
Uh, so inside here.
I could no. I don't want. Yeah, okay. You didn't set F there, so it's fine.
Okay. I think there's an easier way though. So how can I stop this execution here? I always forget.
Control C, Control C.
Okay, abort.
You can press Q there.
Okay. So there's an easy way to do this, man, which is we're gonna do. We're gonna pick the. Let's first try to get the pause of test piece. Test piece. Okay. Now we're gonna do exactly this, but we're gonna do it copying it, right? Oh crap. Wait. Where is the test piece? I forgot. This is in the initial state. Yeah, we need to do a setf here. Okay, so setf pause the test piece, and then we're gonna do, I don't know, 0.7. Okay. Now we're gonna do what? We're gonna do copy pause of copy of test piece. Right. I kind of want to make this like a label. Wait, this is already wrong, right?
Pause.
Oh no, that's not what I no that's not it's not
Yeah,
true.
you want to see the
Now we just change
representation.
this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Actually, you want to do. How can I give a label to a thing in here?
What do you mean a label?
Like a let? Is that how we do it?
What do you mean, man?
I want to give a name to the copy.
Okay. Yeah. Let.
Yeah, let. Um,
Thank you.
dump.
Finally. Wrong parentheses now.
Wrong.
Remove the one parenthesis after the dumb.
Remove one parenthesis after the dump.
Yes, it
Oh,
doesn't
this.
have that. Yes, it doesn't have that parenthesis. No. It should be two parentheses there.
Yes.
Oh man, you did it right and then you screwed it up. Remove the last after the dumb, the closing.
Oh, this.
Because this is a list of bindings. Remind yourself of this. Yes. Now go to the end. Probably some. Okay, it's balanced.
Yeah. Okay. So let's call this dump.
Okay. Yeah, but you didn't. Wait. You wanna set a new thing. I thought you were gonna make the scope of the thing inside the let, because the let is basically let in like lambdas.
Yeah, no,
Like
I know,
this.
but I just want to have a new label for calling
Oh, so you can
things.
do setf dump, and then like copy test piece or set var
Oh, def
def
var
var, yeah,
dum
parentheses.
uh, copy test piece.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
a parenthesis. You
Where?
forgot the parenthesis.
Oh, a parenthesis for def var.
Yeah, man.
Another
Everything has
one.
parentheses. What do you mean?
Everything has parentheses. Okay, dumb. Okay, so now the question becomes, what is the pause? What is pause of test piece? Okay, and what
Zero
is
seven.
what is
Okay.
pause of dumb? Oops. Okay, and now the
Oh,
final
seven.
moment. Set f in a dumb. Pause dumb, and then we're gonna change it to 0, 9.
Yeah.
Okay, and now this. this.
Pause of the test piece. Yeah.
No!
Okay, I
I don't know what the hell is happening then.
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I was kind of hopeful that it would be that.
Yeah, but allow now, if now that this didn't work, now we're gonna do what you said. We're gonna put a print here.
Yeah, but I don't think it's that.
Yeah, I also don't, but we have to try.
Put like
Uh,
a message, man, because they're gonna get lost with how many prints we have.
okay, so let's put this is the original boss, like this. Uh, what do we want to print again here? We're gonna print the pause of the piece, original piece.
Yeah, anything really. Like, just put the pause of the anything of the first piece, and then of the object, and just so we check if the original piece is not being modified. That's all. Like, could be the position.
No, but we cannot do that
Actually,
in here.
actually, do the representation instead.
No, but I don't think that's gonna work, man. You know why?
Why?
Because we are not changing any pieces. We are creating, we are cloning
Yes.
the to the new piece because you're making a new instance. The It should be only the values, not the references, right?
Yes, I agree, and that's what I want to check. I want to make sure that it's not actually getting the
No, but that's the
modifying
thing.
the
Yeah,
representation.
but that's the thing. If we add a new print in here, checking for the representation of the original piece is gonna be the same. What we did here, where?
Is the
Um,
original thing? Is the original like position, the initial position, also an array? Can
yes.
you
No,
go
not an array. I think it's a list.
try setting the array on the REPL?
What do you mean?
Like instead of like changing setf the pause, setf the other thing.
Oh, representation.
Yeah, because maybe the
Let's.
array. Yeah, man, I don't know, but maybe the array do like a make array something.
Wait. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah, just a make array, anything.
No, no, but let's first check the representation of the test piece,
Oh yeah.
which is this. Then we're gonna do a setf for the representation of the DOM
Hmm.
using whatever, like spawn random piece. What are the
And
chances?
and then you get the array of this.
Set.
No, you get the representation. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter.
No, but I did it wrong. This is wrong now. I need to add
Yeah, the representation instead.
representation of this. Representation.
Parentheses. Q.
Parentheses.
Q.
Here.
Parentheses on the spawn. Spawn is a function.
Oh,
Parentheses.
okay, it makes sense. Like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is this equal?
Now
No, this is not equal. That's fine.
this is totally different. Yeah.
Yeah, now we do this, and this.
It is different. Okay, so I have no idea. So you don't even need to do the thing.
Yeah. So, uh, yeah, I would be pretty surprised if this was the case because Commander was the one supervising this. Anyway, just make sure. Okay, man. So now we have a mystery to solve, or I'm
I
doing
think
something really wrong.
I think we could try using the debugger.
I think that's not a worth cause
Why?
because debugger and Emacs in the same sentence that sounds like a lot of work.
We used last time. It was the most amazing feature of
No.
using
You're talking
Slime.
about the debugger, or you're talking about the wait. You're not. You're talking about the.
I'm talking about the Slime debugger that we could see every variable.
I see. I was thinking about breakpoints and stuff like that.
No, screw breakpoints, man.
Screw breakpoints. Wait, man. Wait just a sec. I want to look at this move adjustments function a little bit more. Because this really doesn't make sense.
Let me
Copy
just see
this.
one thing here in case we need.
Okay. If the new piece is totally separate, how is the boss changing? That's what I'm not getting. We can do another test though. We can do this, and we can also do this, and then we can do this, and then we can call the game loop. Okay, so let's go down. This piece is not helpful.
Not at all.
Okay, this also is not helpful. This one is helpful. Nice. So rotate, this, and this. Now is the moment. Go. Okay, now I'm pretty confused. Oh, it's here.
What did you do? Okay.
What the?
You're printing the representation of before and after
Yeah,
what?
after checking the collision.
Okay. Yeah, it
I'm
didn't change.
pretty confused now. Because this kind of means that it was wrong before. What the crap? Does this make any sense at all? Because this, like, I'm printing 7 minus 1 in here apparently. Actually, I
Yeah.
was dumb. I should have put something like
Yeah, but it's not modifying, right?
this
It's
should
yeah.
be impossible.
What? Why? What do you mean, man?
Yeah, no. This shouldn't be possible. Like the initial print in here, this should not be possible to be minus 1 in the beginning here. This doesn't make any sense at all. And I'm gonna put, I don't know, whatever in here.
No, it does make sense because what piece was it?
No, the piece
It's an L.
should be the piece of the previous statement, and then it should be new after calling the function rotate.
No, but
Funct
like we
rotate.
allow it to be a negative number, like out of bounds, if it has zeros, right? Which is the
Only
case.
zeros.
Yes, which
But
is the
that was not
case.
the case. That's not the case because this has a 1 invisible here.
It's a 3 by 3, has one column on one row of zeros in the end.
Man, look at this. This is the first row. This is the second row.
Yes.
And this is the third row. You see that this one here is invisible.
It is, yes, it has still one more up, which is 0.
Okay, now let's see this. Okay,
Yeah,
so
this one.
this is, wait.
I don't know how was the position though of the piece. I think if it was like,
No, but this is the opposition though. And this is correct. This is
okay,
minus 1, but you can see here that the leftmost column is all zeros.
yeah, okay, yeah,
Okay.
I see.
Now we're gonna press enter in this thing. Now what should happen is, yeah, it already changed. Like before
Okay, I see.
calling has
Yeah.
collision, it's already changing the thing. How is that even possible?
Okay, so let's just backtrack. What is modifying that? At
Not
least we know.
nothing
Okay, we know
really.
something. No, man, there must be something.
No, there must be, but uh, okay. The first thing that we do after asking for a char is to do this. This is picking the board and the piece that we just did and the movement, and then it's calling attempt to move. So this is the piece in its original form still. Then in the attempt to move, we pick the piece and we pass to move adjustments.
Yeah.
The piece is not changed, it's still untouched. Then move adjustments should do a copy of a new piece that should not interfere in any manner, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it should call the function that we are calling. In this particular case, it's rotate piece.
Yeah, but let me see here. So move adjustments. What are we passing to the move adjustments? You see that we are making calculations on the change coordinates.
Yeah, but this is not the case because change coordinates only is only being called if I
Yeah.
press D, A, and S.
Yes. But that's the thing. Can you go back one step when you approach it,
Yes.
the
Yeah.
left? No, on the REPL, I mean.
Oh, here.
Yeah, what was
Uh,
the positions, the coordinates? When you
uh,
press like A, I think it was A, right?
no. I press A until here.
Okay,
So
and
it's
what was
touching
the...
the next
So
is
it was
rotation.
7 minus 1. So it was 7 minus 1 up
It
there.
was 7 minus 1. But it was 0, 0, and 0. So that's fine.
Yes. Now the next one it
I
shouldn't
rotate.
because...
And then we have a 0, a 1, and a 0. So these
Yeah,
they have collision.
yeah.
This should have triggered the collision function. But then and it triggered. You see here? This true, man. You
Yeah,
see?
so our
Okay.
check is correct.
Yeah, but then
It's new.
after getting to this if, we are printing. So that's what I'm not understanding. The print that
Whatever, let
goes
me see.
before has collision. It's already wrong. This is already wrong. You see why? Because we are not changing the
Yeah.
piece. The
Mm-hmm.
piece should be the previous one. So what the heck is going on?
Go a little bit down, please. Eh, we're doing an in-place modification on the change chords, but we're just changing the coordinates. I don't think it should be changing the representation or
And we're
anything.
not even calling change chords, man. You're only calling
Oh
this.
wait a second. Let me see. 223. We're doing a copy piece there with a full call, which the function is the change coordinates with the coordinates that we change. Oh man, of course it's gonna modify.
Why?
Like,
What are you talking?
because it will always modify the... But here's the thing that I think is weird. It's modifying the piece, not the... We're passing the change chords, you see?
No, but we are
But then
not
it's...
change. We're not passing the change
Yeah,
chords,
but
man.
yes, but yeah, it's modifying the copy of the thing, not the
Yes,
piece itself. Yeah.
yes, that's what should be happening.
Can you try to do this? Do the following, man. Do a copy piece and call that new piece, and then you do the modification
I
in
already
place.
tried that. I tried that a few minutes ago. That didn't work at all.
That would be...
This is completely nuts. I don't know anything anymore at this point. And we have a square, of course.
Useless one.
Now straight. Okay, this will work. Okay, so go here, rotate, 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 D,
Yeah.
and now rotate. This should
Who is there?
go. Now it's totally broken.
Oh,
But
we're saved. Commander's here.
yeah, he is here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hello,
Anyway,
commander.
let's try to read this. So okay, so you see, this is the
So
previous
nine
piece.
eight. Yes.
This
So
is the
how much is
original.
the board? How what is the length of the board, by the way?
The length. What do you mean?
Oh, commander said he cannot talk today. It's fine.
Uh, okay, so keep reading the chat there, Nathan. Nathan, no, Nagita.
Not the...
Uh,
You're offending me.
wait.
So I think
What?
it's 7, right? Because it went out of bounds there. So let me explain
Wait.
to commander what's happening.
What
Can you scroll? Can you scroll a little bit up? Let me.
man? No, wait. This is a problem, man. Look at
What?
this. You see here?
This should be
Yeah,
impossible. 9-8. Where's that thing?
this. This is the original piece. You see 9-8 here?
Yeah.
And do you see this representation?
Yes.
Look, this is the same as this, but the pause is different. This
Yeah.
is a problem. This needs to be a problem.
No,
Wait.
wait. There can... It is fine. Like,
No, it
oh
is
wait,
not.
wait. No, the position
What the
gets.
hell?
No, but wait, man. The position always gets iterated, like because it always ticks down.
No, man, you're not. No, no, no. Let me go back a little bit. You didn't get it. So this is move adjustments, right?
Yeah.
We have a piece. We are cloning the piece, and then we are showing the representation of the pause of the original one and the one that we just cloned.
Let
And
me
the
see.
representation
Okay.
is equal, but the pause is different.
Because I think we're just updating which one is less. It's the pause. We're just adding the new piece, right? Yeah.
This needs to mean that the copy function is wrong, man. This needs to mean that.
Or there is something. But this thing is sequential, man. Like it doesn't make sense to me that like it would be modifying anything else.
Wait, no, wait. Let me. I don't think you get. This problem is even more. Okay, so this is gonna be
Because here's the thing that I was thinking. It could be that there is something
function
else, which
piece.
is like our ticking function, which is not really ticking, right? It's just the pressing enter. Like that thing is lagging behind because we're just modifying one thing, but we're not modifying the new piece. But it's actually the new piece that's getting modified and not the old one. So
No, no, I agree with you. I agree.
that's really
That's that.
crazy.
But I think this is the beginning of the problem because oh man, it's gonna be hard to get a new piece that breaks. But to take a look at this, this should be impossible. One is the original piece pause and representation. Okay, so this is the original piece that we didn't move yet, right?
Hmm.
So it's 9.8 and this is the representation. Then the next thing that we do is clone it with the copy function, and then we just print. These guys should be equal. They should be identical because we
Yeah.
just cloned this and now we're just printing. But they are different, which I think this needs to
Let me
mean.
see. Commander is typing. Let me see. Do you have a problem with the stuff that copy pieces changes
That's my hypothesis. I think
when
that
you change
copy
the
is wrong.
original? Yeah, but
Uh,
like we were thinking, Commander, that maybe we are modifying the thing like by reference, like we're modifying something extra. But we tested the function. It's actually not modifying the piece. It's just modifying the clone. So I
yeah,
think it's fine.
yeah, but this copy function is really weird because, like I said, we printed this, we cloned it, and we just printed the clone, and it is 10.8.
So let's see. Most of the stuff is by reference. So for example, you copy the representation.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the representation is an array. Yes, that's what we thought. Yeah.
The representation is an array, and the pause is a list.
Yeah, the pause is not a problem, but we checked the array as
Yeah,
well.
we checked both manually. So like we created like a def parameter in the repo, and then which is using the copy function, and then we changed the clone, and that didn't affect whatsoever the original one, which kind of means that this seems to be correct. But now I'm doubting that. Like this doesn't make any sense. Wait. No,
So
no, 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 no,
copy.
no, no, no. Wait. What is where is rotation? Rotation? I think now the problem is rotation, man. Wait.
It
Oh,
could
here.
be.
We check the kind, we rotate the thing. So, but this is not an I, this is not a straight. So because this is a T,
Yeah,
right?
just check the
It's
otherwise,
so otherwise. So we are doing a matrix multiplication. Oh man, we should have used
which
the
I don't
Latin here, but
which
okay.
I don't think is the problem. Well, we can do that.
Identity horizontally mirrored. Then we are.
What a function.
What the crap? Wait. We are not changing the pause, man. Which
Yeah,
makes sense.
the rotation doesn't change the pause. Yes,
I,
that's
I
right.
agree. I agree. But how this? And another thing. Do you see that the matrices are equal?
Yes. Dude, I think where do we iterate the pause normally? It's on the move adjustments. adjustments, right?
Yeah, it's here.
No, no, below. Attempt to move. That
Here.
one.
Here.
We
We don't change
yes.
the pause.
Where do we skip one? Like there's a function that we made that we iterate twice downwards.
Yeah,
Like if
it's
it's
if it's an
D
S,
was
if it's an S,
yeah,
we
that's
we
sorry.
we do this,
Yeah.
right? And then we are, oh, that might be the case. Wait, now I'm no, but that does still doesn't explain this. But I see what you mean. So you're thinking that the second go down is making 9 to 10,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, crap. Yeah, but that doesn't make any sense because this print happens immediately after this happens immediately after
Yes.
this.
It doesn't print the board, so it doesn't finish iterating. So yeah.
Man, what the hell? Ah,
Dude, I think the best way is trying to debug this. Let's try to spawn the debugger again.
I don't remember how to do that, man.
Let me see. Let's read what commanders say, man. Hang on. Uh, you copy the representation, but the representation is an array. So what you need to do is to put there not the array itself, but the copy of that array. Otherwise, your copy is not a deep copy, but a shallow copy, and you want a deep copy.
Wait.
As I said, a copy is problematic.
Wait. Can you repeat it
Okay,
again?
I remember what he's. I think I know what he means about shallow copy and deep copy. It's basically like not copying the
The
depth, right?
Yes, we are not copying, like the pointers are still the same, right? We're just copying the reference to the same memory region basically. That's shallow copying. The deep copying, you are changing the pointers also. You don't have the
Yeah.
same reference. But I don't know, man. That's so weird. Wait, but if the copy is a shallow copy, doesn't this mean that we tested that, right?
I think we did. Yeah.
Yeah, I really think we tested that, and it is a deep copy, the copy function. I'm so confused, man.
Yeah, I don't.
This doesn't make any sense at all. At all. Wait. Now I'm starting to think. Identity matrix multiplication. Oh, I know. I know, man. Look at this. We are so dumb. We are so dumb. Look at this. See here that. Oh no, but this is already the clone. The piece is already that receives rotate piece is already the clone. Yeah, so I have no idea. I have no idea whatsoever. No idea. The representation
So
should be the
commander
same.
said, I don't know how exactly you did test that, but it's a shallow copy for sure. But like I don't think the problem is on the array.
No, it's not in the array. It's in the list. Because this is correct. The representation of them.
Yeah, I will. Okay, that is also a problem, but I think it's leading to the problem we are having. But
No,
I will ignore that.
no,
Let's
but I,
think
I
of
said I
the.
said something wrong. This should not be equal to this because we're already calling func call func here, and this is calling rotation, which means that the representation should already be different. Because look at this, we are func when you pass rotation is rotate piece,
Oh, yeah.
and then we are copy, so we are making a clone theoretically, and then we are rotating. So both the position should be different, but no, the position should be the same, but the representation should be totally different, and it is all the opposite. The representation is the same and the pose is different.
Yeah, I get it. Let me
What
see.
does?
I don't know. Well, yeah, list is also. It's the same problem with the list. But
Okay,
like,
okay, let's forget the test that we did then, Magetta. Let's just show this function to Commander. Commander, this is the function. We want to have a complete deep copy of the piece. This cannot be shallow in any sort of manner. How we do that then?
I'll be back in a second. Let me just go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I will read what Commander is trying to say then. The array we already have, because I think you did copy multidimensional. Yeah, copy this. Copy multi-array apparently. It's gonna.
Back. What?
Oh man, Commander is saying, well, it's gonna be very ugly like that.
Wait, what happened? But what? What happened?
Commander
Oh, you.
said, Commander said that to make the deep copy, we kind of need to make separate functions to copy arrays and lists.
Okay.
So doing only, we need to call these auxiliary copy functions inside the copy of the piece, basically. And yeah, I think that's the cause of our problems, man. I think that has collision is fine. Has collision is working properly. That's just a guess, but it's a very strong guess.
Well, yeah. And you know why I think, I don't know, man. Like it's colliding. Yeah, I think we're out of options. Let's try to do like the separate functions.
Yeah, no, but Commander is said that he is doing it generically, so I'm just
Oh,
waiting.
okay. This is the time that we just
Yeah,
appreciate.
this is specifically problem. It's hard to do something because it kind of involves like you need to have knowledge about the language,
Yeah.
and that's something that we both don't have. So
But I think like the main problem we have with this like is handling arrays, man. Like I think it's really, I don't know, man. Like if it was something like a C-like array handling, it would be way easier.
yeah,
Like,
no, we had a bunch of problems because of the way that we are modeling the thing, but we didn't like. We could have researched like a library for this.
yeah, from the beginning. Yes. Now I don't want to change that.
No, we're not gonna change that. That's not even we're not even discussing that.
This is not a possibility.
This is not a possibility at all whatsoever. Because we already made like it's already working with a Smith. Like I'm impressed that this was
Yeah, and
working.
impressed this is working actually. I thought we would just give up halfway.
Uh,
What else does he have? Representation in what? Position,
just
which is
pause and representation.
yeah.
Pause is a list. Representation is a 2D array. Okay, so copy is problematic then. Okay, but if this is the problem, now we just have to. After this, we have to figure out how to make the using rotate f. Oh, the function is ginormous. How
Oh,
do
he
we?
sent the code. Yeah. Omen.
Okay, so let's try to
Copy.
read this and educate
Yeah,
ourselves.
let's see.
Uh,
Uh, why the function from 33 to 34?
uh, the function to 32 to 34. That's a good
Number.
question.
Oh, but it's a number. It's a different thing. Okay, so if it is a number we're trying to copy, you just spit the number.
Yeah, this one is pretty easy to understand, right? So you're just calling make array, which creates something totally out of nowhere, and then you do a loop setting f the things to be equal.
Yeah.
But then there's a thing. This copy a ref object I think it's using one of these three. These two also. By the way, these two. I don't think it's using this. So you're copying.
Okay, I see. Like the copy we're passing there is like to anything. So if it's a number that the map finds, then it's gonna copy a number. Otherwise, yeah, it's a recursive copy. Makes sense.
What do you mean by recursive copy?
Uh, you see that it's mapping copy. So
Mapping
there are many
copy.
methods. Yes, there are some. There are different methods for copy. So if he finds like a number which is the bottom, then it just throws the number because well, it's a number. But if it's a list, it keeps going inside. You see, keeps copying the insides as well.
What I understood is that for each object inside the list, we are mapping it a copy to it, and then we are kind of assuming that the object that's being inside the list or is a number or is a piece, and then it's
Yeah.
gonna like, oh, it's a number, so it's gonna be this copy.
Actually, if it's an array, a list, or a piece, like it
Yes,
starts by the
yes,
piece and
yes.
then yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty cool
in our
actually.
particular, I think it's kind of hilarious that you have to do to have a deep copy of a number. You need to do this, but anyway, the thing that I'm getting is that okay, we need to have a way to copy a piece. We need a way to copy a list and its internals, a number, and if we have an array. Uh,
Also, I brought you a new version of copy for piece, so you should use it.
yeah, yeah, no, this is the new version. I already removed the previous one. Okay, so you say what is allocate instance? I think we have this function at some. Oh wait, isn't this the thing that we saw on Saturday or something like that?
Uh, allocate instance. I think we discussed that. I don't remember. I remember discussing that. Yes, I do. It's because it has a different initialization, right? I remember like we were having that problem. Yeah, without initializing slots. Since we
Okay.
set them later.
Uh, oh, okay, okay. So this is just to be more like quote unquote correct, because I don't think that would we could use the same initialization one, but just because because you're gonna set f after anyway, let's just make it empty in the beginning.
Oh shit, I forgot again.
Oh, find class. Okay, I can add that.
Oh yeah, Final Class. Yeah, I was thinking it was weird, but fine.
Find class. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Let's now try to
Did
let's
you
clean the
remove
board. Let's clean
did
the
you
board.
remove the other function?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So
Oh
now
man.
S. Yay. Oh, some the representation in there is written wrong. Representation. Nice. So game loop. Okay, S. Okay, so it's saying something
We
that
try
is we are confusing types here. So we are doing something related to vectors, but it's vectors and an array, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, it is in
the
copy array apparently.
oh, isn't it the thing that we discussed? Like
Yeah, I remember this naming problem. Uh, not a ref, he says. Row major ref. Holy, what is that?
what? Okay, it's the function, right?
Oh,
Oh
it's in
no,
here.
that's a
It's in here. It's
yeah.
row major F, a ref. Because you're doing a loop only once. So we are looping throughout the rows. Okay. And nope, same problem. Let me try to compile the entire thing. Yeah. I only changed in one place. Oh, should be this also? Row major?
Yeah. Yeah.
Aref.
Yeah. Commander said yes. Yes.
Okay. Game loop. Go. S. Okay. Oh no. This square. It's fine because it's a new board.
Yeah. Always this wrecking square.
Another square.
Okay.
Oh, I thought it was a square. Okay.
Yeah, I would be laughing. Okay, this one I think
What
what?
the rotation now
Kind.
breaks. Nice.
Kind is unbound in the object.
Oh, we need to copy the kind also.
Yeah, we need to copy the rest. We forgot
Uh,
about that.
no, wait. The allocate. Oh, it's completely
Yeah, just
empty. It's completely empty. I got it. Yeah.
yeah, you just copy the latest.
It's in here. Yeah. So it's gonna be kind new. It's gonna have. Oh, we're gonna have to make a copy of this also. Copy. Kind of AJ.
Well, not really.
Ah.
You just get it, right?
Um, but does that matter? Because I think if
No,
you get it, it's gonna be a reference, man.
it's a symbol, man. It doesn't have a reference.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
commander said no need because it's a symbol. No, no.
Oh
It's a
no.
symbol. It's a primitive.
How do you know? So primitives they don't have references. Is that it?
Yeah, like an integer, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so it's back to working. Okay, now we have the moment of truth.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
Okay, try on the left. Try on the left because this one, I think.
Now and go. Yeah, problem
Nice.
solved finally.
Check the next piece. No, keep going, man. Like
Keep
we gotta
going.
check if didn't break any other piece. Okay, this one.
Um,
This one is evil. Let's see.
no, no, this is not evil because this is a special case. Remember the straight. We are treating it. We are purposely
Oh
treating
yeah,
it
yeah.
separately.
Yeah, but it was buggy last week. We could fix that. I
Yeah.
remember now. This one was buggy on the left, I think. Yeah.
Are you sure this was buggy? I don't remember
Yes,
this one being buggy, man.
I do. It was
Oh,
one S. I don't know if it was this or the Z. Not the square. Okay, it's playable.
yeah, they don't have points yet though. Yeah.
Yeah, we should clear the board now. Good luck for us.
Yeah. Now, we should remove the ones using rotate F,
Oh man.
and that's gonna suck.
Characters, numbers, symbols, that's it. Those
Because
are
you know
only
why? I
primitives.
just figured out that we cannot just like do a rotate F with everything. We cannot do that.
Yeah.
Because for instance, you look at this case. These should not break because we have a 0. But this should. So we can't just put like zeros in here. You see? We need to put like from the beginning until this point, we need to collapse. Like basically, yeah, collapse. So move every one slot further and add and a new one with zeros. Yeah, that works. That actually works
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't think it will be that hard.
um,
I think it will be harder on the part of accessing because we gotta remember that it's only like I think just a double for loop, and then we check if there is that thing like for all, right? I don't remember how it was. For every, I think we can check for everything that has the same J. No, that has the same E, right?
yes. What
If
is
it's 1, then we move 1J down. I think
a
that's it.
displaced array?
Displaced array. A slice. Isn't that the thing we saw last?
Oh, is that a slice? Nice. A displaced array is a continuous subset of the actual array. I don't remember the
Yeah, I
syntax
think
anymore.
I remember we saw that.
We saw that.
Ah
Displaced
man, I
2.
didn't save the snippet. We almost did that.
Yeah, we didn't. I don't think we saved the snippet. Yeah.
Yeah, it was very dumb. But this displaced array should be one dimensional. That kind of sucks.
Needs should be one dimensional. No man, that's sad. That's really sad. And there's a problem also, Magita, I
Which
guess.
is?
Um, Let me just check this. Because the square is an exception to what I'm thinking. Yeah, we cannot do what I said. We cannot just add a new line of zeros in the beginning, man. When we collapse, because this maybe will be overriding the.
Oh yeah. The piece, right?
Yeah, but it depends the order
Or
though. It
we
depends the
can
order.
always move the piece down because the piece will always be on the first, and it's like one. Yeah, we can move the piece one block downwards.
Um,
Yeah, it's not a problem. I think so.
let's put 26 in here, and let's put the initial position to instead of 0, 4, it's gonna be 0, 5. Okay, so let's try. So go down. Oh, copy multi-dimensional array. Okay, so
It's
there's a
the
problem there. Let's stop using copy multi-dimensional array. We already have copy array, which is better. So where the heck are we using copy multi-dimensional array?
Yeah, I
Do we
didn't
have
even know
swiper?
we.
No.
Yeah, no, on protocol, no, I don't think so.
Multi-array. We just do copy in here. Nice. Commander is writing stuff. I'm not reading.
Oh yeah, overriding the block is problematic though. Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, what?
This. This is not correct, I guess.
What is not correct?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? I'm confused. Wait. Let's recompile everything. Okay. Go down. Um. Oh, wait. No, I was dumb. This is not 0, 4. This is 1, 4. Now it should be correct. Now it's exactly what you wanted, Magetta. See?
Let's see. Okay,
And
yeah,
I added
with
a
that
few
we
I
can.
added a few more lines to the like vertically to the board
Mm-hmm.
because we already like removing the piece not spawning in this line and in the next is already like in a disadvantage for the player. So I make it taller also.
Mm-hmm.
But it was 24, so I'm gonna make 25. Okay. Yeah, now this is correct. Now we can do that. Just need to discover how to do the slicing. Okay, so make array, some size, display. So yeah, overriding the block is problematic though. What do you mean by overriding the block? What I wanted to do, by the
I think he
way.
was talking about like the first, like moving everything downwards, with the
No, but
piece up there.
no, but we
Huh?
don't have to do that, man. We don't have to do that. You know why? Because I'm thinking about using rotate F. Like because rotate F has that
Yeah,
property of just like shifting everybody in one slot, and that's exactly what we want. So look at this.
Okay, I
Look.
see.
So
Mm-hmm.
what you're gonna do is let's suppose that this was all ones. After we identify that we have all ones, we transform everything to a 0 and then we rotate F. Everybody like this will go to the beginning here, and
Oh,
everybody else will go down once.
okay, I
Shift F.
see.
So there's a Shift F function apparently. Shift F, Common-Lisp, macro, Shift F. Modifies the values of each
We,
place by storing
com-
new value into the last place and shifting the values from the second through to the last
yeah.
space into the remaining place. Now this is a very bad English. Very bad explanation. Okay. Um, oh, it's using cutters and stuff like that. Oh, that's a terrible way of looking at this. But anyway.
No, that's the best way.
No, that's
Just
not the best, man. That's not the best. You're just crazy.
it's using Kadar.
What is okay? So we are setting X apparently as this list and Y as trash, whatever that is. Then we are shifting Y with X, and then we pass a place which is cadre of X, so it should be this, and we pass also a new value to it, so it's gonna be this. Then X becomes X becomes what the hell?
So Commander is throwing an example. So rotate F ABC returns ABC into BCA. You don't want that.
That's what we
Yeah,
want, yes. That's what we want.
yeah, yeah. We just want to
Yeah,
we want to cycle, right? That's what you mean.
no, we want ABC to be CAB. That's what we want.
BCAB.
Hã? É, do cabide que falta.
You don't want to wait.
Eu
No,
peguei o cabide.
because you don't
Eu
want the
peguei o
last
cartaz.
value to become the first, though. Yes,
Ok, eu
that's
vou
what I
pegar
was
o
saying
cabide.
about cycling. Oh, I think Lemos is away.
No, I'm back. Because you want the last value to become the first.
Yeah,
You are
that's what I was
deleting.
talking about cycling. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
that's not what we
But we want
want.
this. ABC, we want this to become um, um, CAB. We want this. So the value of that line should just disappear. What do you mean by disappear? Like becoming zeros?
Mm, yeah, because you're deleting the first. Uh, so if you have a table.
You don't want the last value to become the first though. You are deleting the line. So the value of that line should just disappear. I just want to understand what you mean by disappear though. That's what I want.
Yeah, I didn't understand as well.
You wanted this to become. Yeah, but that's not a good example. Put some ones instead of on top of the. No, but that's what I said. That's not enough. Because imagine that you have ones on top of the lines of ones. Okay?
Ones in top of the lines
Yeah,
of
random
ones.
random ones on top. Like you have
Okay.
more pieces on top of the line that is completely filled with ones.
The piece is
Every
not a problem. It's
no,
just the glued pieces in
no,
the
no, no.
board, right?
I'm talking again, pieces that are already glued to the board. That's what I
Yeah.
meant. If you have ones on top of the lines of ones, everybody should go down. Only one slot. So it's it's kind of like a shifting, yes. You want you want this to be, yeah, that's what we want.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's what we want. So how you make that happen though? So the line, yeah, disappeared, just disappears. Okay, I can accept that. But how you gonna do disappears and shift everybody else down one slot? That's what I don't know how we're gonna do it. I'm pretty confused with this example though, because we are shifting y and x, and then a place is 2 and 3, as far as I can tell, and this is the new place, right?
See,
So x, we removed 1 from x. Is that it?
I can barely see because I'm without my mouse. So hang on. Yeah, thank you. So let me see. X is a list of 1, 2, 3, and Y is trash.
Yeah.
Okay. Shift Y X. Then you do coder, so 2, 3 with hide there, trash. And then you do what is trash? Oh, anyway. So let me see. So you just added. Okay, so you shifted the first guy out of the coder, and now it's on high there. Okay. Now you were confused with the set Q. Set Q list ABC. Oh man, it's the element on the. Okay, I think let me see what commander is saying. Shift F just shifts everything to the left, and the leftmost value is returned. Okay, that makes sense why the trash is there.
Yeah, no, but the commander is saying these set queues in the example suck. So Shift F just shifts everything to the left, and the leftmost value is returned.
Mm-hmm.
Um, um, Let me think about
So
that. Let me
So,
think.
like, look at the list. Like, it's basically y, x, the coder of x, and the high there. So, if you shift to the left, then it's gonna return the value of y, which is trash.
But we want the opposite, commander, right? We want
Yeah,
to like in our particular case, we want the last one to disappear, right? We want the last one to disappear. And we don't want to transform it to BCC. We want to transform it to 0 BC, as far as I understood. We want the rightmost, not the leftmost, I guess.
but that doesn't. You can just reverse, right?
No, no, no. You're right. Maybe you want to replace the lines with ones to lines with zeros. Then rotate F. Yeah, that was my original idea. To pick the lines of ones, transform that to zeros, then rotate F everybody. Not
Mm-hmm.
everybody, like from here to here,
Yeah, I
right?
got the idea.
From
Mm-hmm.
here, from the line with ones to here. Everybody, like at the bottom, like below it, should not change at all. I was imagining that rotate F should do the trick. Oh, by the way, if that works, we don't have to start from the. We don't have to make the piece start from the second row. We can go back to 0 because it's gonna shift F. Oh, now I see what you were talking about before, Mageta. These will the user, the player, will have the feeling.
That the thing is on the first. Yeah, and that's yeah. That they didn't change positions, right?
Yeah, but the user's gonna have the feeling that the piece went down a third
Mm-hmm.
time.
Yeah,
Not a
that's why I
yeah,
said like.
yeah. I see what you mean. I totally see what you mean. Yeah, no, let's do that then. Let's make this let's go back. It's gonna be less weird, I guess, if you do like this. Um, the biggest problem I see here is that you have to pass like a shit ton of arguments to rotate. Can't we make a loop of rotate Fs?
Oh man, that's pretty cursed. That's pretty cursed.
Rotate F Common-Lisp. Like, isn't there like a rotate F that it receives like a beginning of like an index of the beginning of the rotation and the end of rotation? That would be pretty cool.
Probably not, and we're gonna have to slice. Probably.
No, that would be
Oh
pretty
yeah, no
bad.
such thing. Cool.
Oh man, why?
Living the
Why?
dream.
Okay, let's make that function then. So this function would be check for points. I don't know, where. Yeah, it can be below game loop. That's fine. Okay, so it's gonna make a function that the name will be for checkpoints. So you're gonna pass only a board, and it will mutate this board, which is fine. Then what we need to do here is
Wait, what do you
to
mean by checkpoints? You mean like the clearing a line? Is that it?
clear points.
Okay.
Okay, so what this function should do, it should pick a board and should try to go row by row, checking if the rows are entirely composed of ones. If they are, we're gonna call an auxiliary function, which is gonna be a def fun rotate rotate matrix in I don't know, with indexes. I don't know. And then you pass a board, you pass a beginning of the index that will begin index and end index, which can be, for instance, I don't know, this, whatever the row is, this, and the beginning is always 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's gonna be like this, and then we're gonna make a function that does a bunch of like rotate f's, whatever the heck. Okay, so the first thing here is a for loop, right? Can we agree on that?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna be a loop, a for I
Mhm.
below
Below, yes. Mm-hmm.
array total size board.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think we're gonna do the same trick that he did to copy the array. Yeah, we're gonna do like this loop, but instead of doing a setf, we're gonna call a function check if all are ones. It's basically a fold. Do we have a fold?
I think you have a reduce.
Reduce is fine. Okay, so let's go back there. Here, where I was. Okay, here. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna do exactly this, but board,
Okay.
and here's also board. Um, then we're gonna do an if, basically. Nice. This is convenient though. You do Control K and then just removes everybody
Oh
else
yeah.
aside from the parentheses that you don't have to
Yeah.
you can't
That's pretty
remove.
good.
That's nice. Um, okay, now we're gonna call this a function. If this is gonna be like, oh, I made something wrong. Edit,
Made. Wait,
undo.
protocol? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Now it's back on track. Nice. Uh, I'm liking parentheses already, so I'm gonna remove everything and do it again. So it's gonna be like this. Check row with ones. And then here it's gonna be row major a ref board I. We're gonna have to create this auxiliary function. Def fun check row with only one. So we're kind of getting to Natan territory with the names here.
Yeah. I'm kind of
uh,
disgusted, to be honest.
what is the type, or what is gonna be, I don't know, ref to row? That seems
Graph
fine.
to row.
And this is gonna be a
Yeah.
reduce, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that's the thing. This is a reference to a row, and then we want to use reduce on it. And Commander is preparing himself to humiliate us. Good to know. Reduce.
I'd
And
even
he's
say
done.
that, man. Oh man, yeah. Like he's just too fast, man. Let me see what is this function doing.
Yeah.
So he gets from the board for the dimension, and then we
Uh,
get the line.
that's not good.
What
That's
is
not good
what
because
is
here he's
that?
using a hard-coded thing for the dimensions of the board.
Okay, so it needs to be no, no, that's fine. Like we can just swap. Uh,
Wait,
and then
how
it
do you
just
do
is.
the array dimensions? Right?
Yeah, I
Is
just
that
need
how
to
you do it?
grab.
Board one. You're gonna multiply that for with array dimensions board 0.
And then it does make array displace to.
It would be actually be really great to have a let in here.
Okay, to get that thing right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so we're
I
gonna have
agree.
a width, so it's gonna be array dimensions board. I think that this is the width is 1 in this particular case, and height is gonna be array dimensions board 0. Then you just remove it. Array dimension. Okay. Alright, good to know.
I'll have dinner and I'll be back in like 15 minutes or something.
Width, height,
I'll
10.
be back.
So this is width.
When I get back, I hope this is over.
And I know the parentheses are wrong, Commander. I know. I'll fix that. So grab this. Here. Nice. Um. Okay, so what is this? This probably is width. Return I. What the? This just declares a variable and updates it on each iteration. That's really weird. And you don't have to like you don't have to create the variable. It's just there. It is just there. Okay. So you're making a splice. Okay, so you're picking a row. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. No, wait. Um. Ooh, we're gonna have a problem with this though, because I think this is returning. This is returning. What is this returning? Is it returning the first row of ones, or is it returning all of them? Because if it's not returning all of them, then it's gonna have to call this a bunch of times. The first one, yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah, so that's basically what you're doing. So you are iterating through the board, and then you are checking if a row it's all completed with ones. But you don't have to return. You can change it whatever to whatever. Uh, mm, uh, there's also another thing. I kind of want to return new if we don't have anyone. Yeah. Yeah, I think this might work actually. So instead of doing this, we're gonna do like if check. No, not if. We need to do a let first. Yeah, so let. So first pointed first row with points. I don't know. Check points. Then you pass the board, which is basically this. I just want to show how to use a moving window. Yeah, you're using the slicing as a window. Yeah, pretty much. Uh, but then, okay, then if, no, not like this, like this. If it is it null? If null first row with points. If we don't have any row with points, what should we do? We should return new, because kinda doesn't matter. But if we got something, what should we do? Then we should rotate. No, I don't want it to do in one loop, Commander. I think I'm gonna call this function recursively. These clear points. So I'm gonna do something along the lines of this, like rotate matrix with indexes. Then, oh, this is a function, crap. Yeah, like this. Then you're gonna pass the board and the first row with indexes, with points. Then you're gonna do clear points board, and this rotate matrix with indexes will mutate the board, and that's pretty much it. When first row with points. No, but we want the opposite, right? We want the opposite. We want when we reach new. Yeah, we can change this to true, and then do what you said. Do it like this, I guess. Like this. Then we return this to return new in this case, right? And then if we have a first row with points, no, wait. No, this should the other the semantics of the previous one is better actually. Null here. Okay, so if you don't have any points, you just finish. This is the base case of the recursion. No, since the index is also true-ish. What I wrote was equal to what you wrote. I'm confused. Anyway. I think the semantics of this is better. If you don't have a first row, you just return new. If you have a first row, you need to do something else, which is going to be a rotate matrix with indexes where you put the board and the end index, which is this. Then you call the clear points function again with the mutated board. That's what I wanted. Oh, I think now I know what you're talking about. Yeah, you're talking about doing this. So when this, you just do this. Is that what you're talking about? Ah. I'm slow. Sorry. Okay, so this was what you're talking about. Good to know. So let's remove this. Let's put it in here. Um, we don't need the prog n, are you sure? Okay. So we're just gonna basically do this like this. Is that? You don't need this. Oh, okay, I see. So this we can remove this and copy. Like this? Nice. And then the it's not gonna return anything at all. It's basically gonna do mutation, which is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now we need to do the problematic function, right? Which is this. The rotate matrix with indexes. Okay, I'm gonna remove Mageta's volume. Okay, so now there's the problem though. Now we have a problem, right? I think you're gonna have to do a 4. I don't think I don't see any other option. So 4, I below um, below it is that inclusive or not? You could copy a slice and store it in a variable. I think that the fastest way isn't to use like the how would you call it? Like this is the 1, this is the 2, and then you just do a loop doing this. You see? Does that make sense? And in this particular case, we're gonna use array dimension board 0, I guess, which is the height. You tried your array. I gotta think. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go through this. Um, ooh, there's a gotcha here, by the way, because you're going to do minus something and the number 1 here. So it's gonna be array dimension board 0, because we want to go from the beginning to the line before the last one, right? Yes. Then what are we gonna be doing after this? We're gonna be doing a do, I guess. Do. Then we're gonna do rotate F in here. I just need to remember how to use it. E, B, C, D, F, G. Are you
So what
talking, Maget?
happened? What happened?
Yeah, so, oops. This is what happened, Maget. So this is the function that
Mm-hmm.
Commander proposed, which is basically returning the line of the first row that has only zeros.
Okay.
Then this function will be doing the following. It's going to call this function that Commander made, and if we have a row, it's going to do the mutation, right? It's going to do the bunch of rotate f's, which is the function that we are currently doing. Then it's going to call the function recursively, the clear points function, because maybe you're going to have more than one row to clear.
Yeah, makes sense.
Uh,
Aren't we gonna make an animation like showing, because like on Tetris when you clear like the 5 lines, it shows like Tetris. Are you gonna
uh,
write to the screen? Let's do that.
I
Seems pretty
think
easy.
see, I think for now it's fine. I think for now it's kind of fine. Then my idea is you're gonna iterate through all the through all the from the first row to this row, not to this row, to the row that It's specified by the index, right? That minus 1, by the way. Yeah, that minus 1. So for instance, let's suppose that we have a Tetris here. Like we have to clear this. We need to iterate from 0 to the one before the one that we want. And we're gonna do what? We're gonna make this pointer point to this, and then the pointer that was pointing to this, and then so on and so forth. So we're basically like shifting everybody else
Yeah.
to
Okay.
one place below.
Mm-hmm.
So, but that's not that. I don't know how to do that, by the way. So I'm guessing it's a ref I board.
I think it's the board and then I. Yeah, it's the array first. See?
It is the array first, but this is a two-dimensional array, right? So I'm kind of assuming
Subscripts. I think on the subscripts you.
plus 1i.
I'm not sure if that I will work. I think you need I and J. No, to get a reference, right?
Okay,
Actually, I don't know.
no, we
Question.
want the reference of the entire row, man. That's what we want. This is an element, right? This is the first element of this 2D array. You can't access lines in a 2D array. Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, you can access the lines. Yeah.
Because it's not really 2D.
Oh man, this sucks so much.
Yeah, this sucks pretty much. Yeah, so yeah, my plan was not great then. But that was kind of my idea, to make everybody else like shift one to the right in this case.
So then maybe.
Ah, man.
I think we're getting lazy because Commander is here as well.
No, I think we're. No, it depends on what you call lazy. I know what we're doing, but
I mean, I think I'm lazy, man.
this draw piece on board basically gonna instead of putting test board, you're gonna put clear points board in here, and we're gonna pass the global board, and that's it. That's it. And then we're done. Done in the meaning of removing the rows with ones, right? I'm not necessarily saying we're done with everything else, but
Well, we are. After we do this, the game is over.
I don't think that we need to figure out the enter problem.
We can solve it with that package, but well, I don't know how to import that package because it fails for some reason. Oh, Commander is writing something.
Yeah, he's probably showing his wisdom.
It's wisdom. The wisdom we lack.
Pretty much.
Let me turn it off. Okay, let me see. Oh, Commander is joined.
Oh, okay. So he can't speak, but he can share the screen. Nice.
So let me see here. Let me pay attention. So we gotta make a function called rotate matrix with indexes.
Yeah, but he's calling in his code shift line, which is
That's a
kind of makes sense.
terrible name.
What shift what?
No, yours. That's a horrible name. I don't know how you got into that.
Yeah, because that makes sense for what we're doing. We are doing a rotate F, but we're
Yeah,
not
but
doing it
like
with
when
everybody
you're
else.
looking at the code, you're not gonna think, oh, which part rotates. You're gonna remember that it's a function called that. Like it makes no sense.
I still prefer my name. I think it's more semantic, but that's fine for me. Shift row. Especially because shift row does not explain what first row, what this parameter means. This is an index. This is the end of the
Oh, it
process.
shifts from a certain point.
It shifts from the beginning to this.
Yeah. So that's what I would understand of this.
Okay, so apparently there's a function called flat table, which is kind of oh, he's just defining a slice. That's fine. Wait, he's defining a slice. Hmm. that's the thing, Maggot. I think that the feeling that we are getting lazy because of Commander is because we don't know. Like we have to experiment what exactly is the slicing, and we never actually did in like
Like
practical
if,
terms.
but that's the thing, man. Like I think we could try, but I don't feel like trying because I know Commander will help. So
I
you got
don't
the
feel
feeling
like trying. It's the best one.
that's
Okay.
the lazy.
Uh, the board and index. I actually don't know how he's gonna use the slice to make this happen. That's what I'm confused. Oh, he's going to make two slices, right? Oh, he has two windows, and he wants to like update the second window with the content of the first one.
Not looking, man. I'm stupid. Hang on.
No, but he's not doing that. That's just my guess.
Let's see.
I think that's right. I don't know if he's writing something on
Mm,
the chat, but I think that's right. He has two windows, man. Two windows on the table. At least that's what I got. Imagine that you have two windows. You want to make the content of the second window to be the content of the first. Make array, initial contents. Yeah, he's making a 2D array now. And now he's gonna pass a number, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh,
it's
1,
like
2,
from
3,
the
4, 5, 6. What the hell is that? Almost works. I'm not getting partner because shift line.
let me see. So he's getting the array with two dimensions, and then he's passing the thing, and then the point where he's starting the shape. I'm trying to get top parts.
Why do we are you using flat table? Why is that important?
Yeah. Function does. Let me see.
No, it's
Flat
not a
table.
function. It's a name.
Oh, that's a let, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Let bang, by the way.
Let me see.
Not
It's
bang.
not let.
Let's star.
Make array, multiply h by w.
Yeah, he's basically getting a window from zero with all the width, but he's getting from the window that we want from the beginning until the index, the beginning index, the end index.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, makes sense.
yeah, it makes sense. But what I'm not understanding is how he's doing the trick of changing the 2D array. That's what I'm not getting. That makes sense, by the way, Commander. That the slice going from W to int. That makes sense. What I don't know how you're doing, you. uh, uh, that's complicated. That's complicated. Yeah, I can hear a television on Mageta, by the way.
Oh, let me just close the door.
Uh, very interesting. This very
Ah,
interesting.
my room is like
I
close to the
I, I
living
don't
room.
know how you're gonna do it using only this size of index, man. Okay,
See.
cool. You wait. What you're doing, man? You're passing a number. Oh, that should work. That should work just fine. I'm fine with that. I'm really fine with that. Wait, if this is a slice, Actually, it's kind of dumb that I'm not showing this on screen, but anyway. If this is a slice commander, we can just do a rotate F now. What do you think?
If it's a
Yeah,
slice,
because a slice is a 1D array. It's a array one-dimensional array at this point.
yeah. Yeah, you can just delete, right? I get what you mean.
Yeah, we can just add Yeah, we can just add and rotate, basically. He's using the flat table though. That's what I'm not getting. He's going from uh what the hell? Wait, subsec. Wait, flat table. What is the parameters of flat table again?
Flat table is not a function.
That's not what we want, Commander. By the way. Well, it's close. Yeah, I agree. It's close. But I'm not that getting. What do you remember what subsec does? Namageta. I don't remember, man.
Subsec? Well,
Yeah,
doesn't it get a subsequence?
I think it gets a subsequence. Yes, but
Like the
what?
name.
Yeah, but what is the parameters? That's what I want to know.
Oh,
The
okay.
first one
That I don't know.
probably is the array itself. Wait, the code vanished there. Okay, and then flat table. What is the second? Change the initial thing. It does like a replace.
Hmm.
It does a replace. What are the parameters of this thing? What is W and what is this number, man?
W is the width, right? So it's the.
Yeah, but the width should never ever change, man. Only the height.
Oh, I think he's just setting the entire row. Is that right? Like he's
He's
getting the reference for this for the row, and then he's just replacing the row with. Yeah, I don't know. What is the last parameter? Not sure.
Oh, I know what he's doing, man. That's clever. That's clever. You know what he's doing? The flat table is the exact same table in a one-dimensional array, okay?
Okay.
Then he has the top part. The top part is basically an array that has the dimensions of the window until the end index. That's also a one-dimensional array.
Yeah, makes sense.
Then he picks a window out of the flat table, and he's picking the area of the window that we're gonna overwrite with the top part. That's what the setf is doing. So
Okay.
he's picking the flat table, a subsequence of it. He's defining the area in which we're gonna overwrite it with the top part.
Yeah, I get it. Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know why you're returning the table, by the way. Oh, it's because this is
That's
all a
hard to explain.
pointer. This is all a pointer.
I
No, no,
don't
no.
know.
But that's fine. That's fine because I just remember the slice is actually made of pointers, so it's changing the original table also, and that's important in this particular case. So yeah, I still don't know what this is doing, by the way. I know how to explain to my Geta, but I don't know the meaning of it.
I think you're good.
Okay, so can you try to explain to me what exactly is going on?
Find the repo. So
Wait,
let's see. Copy the
wait,
thing.
wait, wait, wait. Oh, I see. I now I think I see what's going on. Oh, that's so close, man. If that actually is what I'm thinking. So let's copy this. Um,
Okay, so let me read line by line. So H W flat table displays to table.
Yeah, this is basically creating
Mm-hmm.
an array out of this size based on table. So we are kind of mapping a 2D thing to a 1D thing.
Yeah.
Then
It's
we are
important.
also doing that, but we are doing only in the region that we want. So let's suppose that we have a row of ones here. Top part is going to be this, and flat
Mm-hmm.
table is going to be this. But everything in one dimension.
Let me see. But it's actually skipping one index, right?
No, the only thing that it's not doing, we need to set the first row to 0. That's the only thing that it's missing.
Do you?
Yeah,
Subsec flat table W, and then he does multiplies the width plus the int, which is the index you want, plus 1. So he's actually shifting the index.
yeah, he's shifting. Okay, so take a look at this. So the subsequence, this area, it's gonna be from wait. It's gonna have this width, so it's gonna be
Mm-hmm.
like this width, which is correct, and the height will be one taller than the top part,
Okay.
if I'm
Mm-hmm.
not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, maybe I'm wrong. Then
From
he is
this, oh wait, he's
overriding,
saying something that doesn't deal with the topmost line, and it will bring everything down by one line.
which is what we
Yes, the
want.
first row to 0.
Yeah,
It's
we need to
from the.
set. It's because he's not treating that the first row is still untouched, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to actually
Let
put
me
zeros in
let's
this.
think. Let's think just a bit. Like, how will it be triggered? Because on Tetris, this thing gets triggered before the next piece spawns, right?
No, it's gonna be like this, man. Like this is doing mutation. So how? Let me write it. It's gonna be clear. Sure, it's gonna be a clear points. This done. So then,
Checkpoints.
yeah, the clear points is basically gonna pick the board,
Oh, right. There's
which
another
is
point.
basically gonna do a check. It's gonna go. It's gonna call checkpoints. So it's gonna basically check if you have an index of a row that has only ones. If we have, we're gonna return that index. If we don't have, we're gonna return new.
Okay.
If we have one, so if this is not new, right? If this is not new, we're gonna do shift and then call this function recursively again.
Mm-hmm.
We're
Makes
gonna do
sense.
that until the point that this loop will never find a row that is only with ones.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is gonna be new, and then it's gonna not call it recursively, and then this is mutating the board that we are passing. This is mutating the board, by the way. So board and index, then it's gonna call this board. The only thing that I would need to do here is to clear the first row. Can you explain more, Commander, that how you're doing it to start from the second line? I'm not getting that. For me, it should be starting from the first line. Can I see what this function does? No, no, not this. I want subsequence, yes. So sequence start. Wait, sequence start? Oh, it's because this is a one-dimensional thing. I was thinking 2D, I'm dumb.
This is a mental bug.
Yeah, no, this is definitely... We don't have to return here, by the way, also. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Oh, we need to do one more thing, which is to do another set f, subsec flat table 0. This is the first row. Okay, do we
Okay.
agree with that?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna do that with a make array of zeros, but I always forget how you do that. So make array. I want to have a
Um,
make array of zeros, so it's like this: make
I think you
array
can pass the default.
dimensions,
Yeah.
dimensions, and then you are done.
I think the third parameter was a default, if I was not mistaken.
The third parameter. No, it's
Yeah,
the first thing is the dimensions. The dimension is gonna be
yeah, the second,
24
sorry.
by 10.
Yeah, I think the
24 is
second. Check
this.
on the Portugal. It should say check on Portugal.
What do you mean by Portugal?
Make array down there.
Oh,
So
make array
key.
W. Okay,
Yeah.
so Commander is already telling me. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, let's try to compile this crap. Compile region.
Okay.
Okay.
Just redefinition stuff.
Okay. Let's. I think the game is already running, by the way. So let's see what happens. S. Okay, of course we have a table is
Oopsie,
unbound.
the variable table.
Something I forgot to remove some table
Yeah,
and
the
rename to board.
function the commander sent
Oh,
probably.
here. So
Yeah.
this is board. This is also board, and this is end index. Nice. Okay, but checkpoints is not being, I don't know.
Not being recognized.
Yeah, it is like weirdly with a weird color. Oh,
Colored
here it's complaining. Undefined variable table. Oh, here
table.
is also
Oh
using the
yeah,
table name. Okay, so
didn't even notice.
nope, board. Nice. And now this should be okay. Okay. Actually, like let me compile the entire thing again. It's not gonna kill anybody. Region.
Maybe this.
No, it will not. I have. I can guarantee. Okay, game loop. Oh crap. Okay, let's go. So S. And we're done.
New is
The
not a type
value
array.
glue piece on board.
Okay, that's a weird function to break.
That's a really weird function to break.
Could it be that our indexes shifted and we are trying to glue something on a position that is not set?
When you compile the whole thing, don't so these zeros happen. Okay, so what do you mean, Commander? By the way, shift row. Deleting unreachable code. So it's classifying this as an unreachable code.
What? Clear.
Yes, I can show the stick try. No, but I want to fix this first, man. What exactly does this mean? Deleting unreachable code. Am I doing? Is this lack of parentheses? What the heck is this?
Let me see. Shift row first. No, there are parameters, right? Yeah.
Yeah, for board and first row with points, they are parameters of this. And checkpoints is still not
Oh,
being.
unreachable because of that checkpoints, probably.
Yeah, but checkpoints is here. I'm not
Means
getting
that
it.
it will never be executed.
Unreachable means that you never be executed. So something wrong with conditions. Something wrong with conditions.
Oh,
That's
wait. Go to the end of this. No, that's right. There are three parentheses. Yeah, that's all right.
something wrong with conditions.
Let's see. When does the when there make sense? Yeah, it does.
Can we do the return like this? Shouldn't we do return points? I remember something like this.
Wait, so
Like
you
I
mean like
remember having the.
oh the function, right? I think it's a symbol, like as a symbol. Put something weird on line 219.
You put something weird on line 219. 19.
Which is the draw piece on board. That.
Clear points. No, this should be it. You put clear points in draw piece. Oh, sorry, this is a fun call. Okay, I forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
Fun call. So fun call here. Fun call. Now it's complaining again.
Wait, no, you're not passing a function as a parameter. Like you just need a fun call if it's a higher order function. like as a function as a variable or something like this. Like you don't.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, Maggot?
Oh man.
uh, anyway, clear points doesn't. No, but it shouldn't. It shouldn't return anything. That's the thing. Oh, so you're probably talking about doing it here. So test board, and then here is just test board again. Like this. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yeah, it seems okay.
let's assume the best.
How are you drawing piece on board? Oh man,
That's a
it's
very
complicated.
complicated question to answer right
That's a
now.
not very easy question.
Let's
Uh,
not talk about that. Let's not talk about that.
it's basically like
It's still wrong, man.
let me just try to explain how we draw. It's basically like as if the piece is floating, and then we cast the shadow of the piece. Like imagine the shadow of the piece over the table, and we're just representing the function, the positions there. So it's actually when it moves, we move the shadow as well. So we go wiping the thing on the board. So it's basically that. That's pretty horrible.
No, now I'm pretty confused. Because he's saying that clear points, putting there clear points there is a type error, but it's basically the same thing as draw piece. That just returns void, like returns empty. I don't know how to call it.
Wait, he said, I mean, putting there clear points is obviously a type error. No, I kind of understand that. I think it was for what I was talking.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but now I'm curious. Why checkpoint is like this? Shouldn't be like this.
Yeah, that's weird.
Wait, isn't this like a phone call also?
No, man,
Are you
it's a
sure?
function. I'm absolutely sure. You just need the phone call if that
Oh,
thing
if
is
it's
like a
partially
label,
yeah, I see.
not
If
partially applied. If
not
it's a
partially applied.
label, yeah, it's like a lambda assigned to a variable, something like this.
No, yeah, I got
Label.
it what you mean now. Let's ignore this very weird color problem. Let's try to run the game. I kind
Oh
of don't care.
wait. Uh, oh man, the checkpoints. Wait
Yeah,
a
the game
second.
is running.
Okay, but does it clear the line? That's a
Yeah,
good
I
question.
have to play the game now. And this is not
Okay.
the game is not helping me, by the way.
Yeah.
I hate this combination, man. When it
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah, on the beginning, that sucks.
Yeah, but this is
Okay.
kind of helpful.
See if you can like put that thing like behind the thing. Yes, try to do that.
Uh,
I think we need to consider one more tick after the end.
yeah, I couldn't.
One
I'm
more.
sorry.
One more to the right.
Oh, it works.
Oh
Okay.
no, we can. Okay.
Okay,
We're
we can.
accounting to
Okay.
that.
Uh, I need a square, man.
Oh, but yeah, you could. Oh, you were dumb. You could have used the T down there, because any other piece would fit. But that's fine. Oh man, it's barely seeable, if that's a word.
It's barely seeable. I agree. Uh,
Oh.
another straight.
Okay, now. Okay, put on the right because if it comes a square, then you can just put it on the other place. Yeah.
A square.
Okay, thank you.
Holy, holy! It's gonna be a double. A double. This is a double.
Let's see.
This works.
How you seeing stuff, man?
I'm already getting used to it. That's the
If
thing.
ever, just go. It would be very funny if it fails.
This is the moment of truth, by the way. So next, and it's done. It's done, bud.
Nothing, right? No.
Yeah, it didn't clear the thing
It
when
didn't
it
do
should have.
anything, actually.
Yeah, it didn't do anything at all.
There's probably some condition. Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh man,
something.
testing this is horrible. Don't clear this board, please. Just leave it like this.
I'm not gonna clear the board. I'm just
Should I
gonna
put
remove
some
the
prints
prints.
there or something?
Yeah, but I'm gonna remove the other ones. Like these ones.
Oh, please.
Okay.
Why that
Okay.
program new though?
No, it's because we were printing before.
Yeah, just remove the program. Just a program for new and the parentheses. Yes.
Okay. So now, something we need to let's put a print here. So format true, whatever the heck, why? I always forget why. Um, here, here, and here, and then first row with points. Nice. Yay! Compilation error. That's not
Comma
nice.
not inside a back
Oh,
quote.
it's because I thought I was in C for a moment. REPL. Okay. So let's put an S. Yeah, still totally broken. But is it printing? No, it's not printing. What the heck? Oh, so we're never doing this. So checkpoint is wrong.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking like because the checkpoints I think it's signaling that this thing will be new, and then that's why the position will never
Yeah,
be
so
hit.
this.
That's why it's unreachable.
Yeah, so make array with displace with the
Oh,
board.
dude. Oh no, wait.
Offset.
Never mind. We do the thing.
When every x
I
is equal to
think
1
I
of the
think you
row.
don't need that new because if the function doesn't return anything, I think it already returns new.
Ah, okay. Nice.
I think I can be wrong.
No, but I can buy that. Yeah, but the thing that I'm not getting is how this is wrong.
But let's read everything. So let blah blah
Wait.
blah.
How do I stop this?
You don't need to.
No, I want to stop. Control C, I guess. Yeah, and then
Yeah,
Q. Yeah. We have a board, right? Test board.
yeah.
We can just call checkpoints.
Oh, yeah.
Um, test board. Partner.
230. Okay, what does that mean?
Yeah, partner.
Okay, print the
uh,
board again. Print the
uh,
board again.
no, this needs to be wrong, man.
No, man, I don't know. Print the board
This
again.
needs to be wrong.
Print the board, man. I want to see what it did with the board.
Oh, I know. I know what this is doing. My index there is wrong. Yeah.
The
Should be
index.
this, right? Should be width. No, no, height. Should be height, right? Height.
For okay, yeah, I see.
We are doing index times width, man. Crazy town. Is
No,
this?
but
Is
no.
let's
Wait, you actually need that because it's a multi-dimensional array. So let's see. Should be not
now
return
it's new.
e, but return like. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. It's actually multiplication there on the I because you gotta remember that it's a multi-array.
Oh,
It's like
we are
yeah.
flattening it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's see. It should be not return e, but it should
It's
return like.
suggesting
Oh,
this.
okay, the division. Yeah. Parentheses.
Oh,
It's a function. Yeah.
I forgot. This.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
For
makes sense.
XB, this. But why division? Wait,
I
now I
think it
think I
will
am
be
the one confused. I think I am the one confused now.
if you
Wait.
divide something that is not even, does it return a?
No, it's impossible to not be even.
Okay,
Like,
yes, makes sense. Mm-hmm.
because we are dividing I, which is a multiple of height.
Oh, it's not impossible, right? If we stretch the thing, then it is. Nah, never mind. I think in our case it's fine.
Okay, so
I also divide by height, not width.
check
Okay,
points,
that's right. I'm getting
test
confused
board.
myself. Oh, it's a ratio. Oh man, it's a ratio. No,
And this
no,
is
that's
wrong,
a
right? This is also wrong because it should be this first, this row. And this is the 22, I think.
just let me laugh a second, please. That's a ratio. Like we need to divide. I think it's the opposite
Height and
thing.
I.
No. I mean, like,
5?
I think it's the opposite.
Wait. Man, this needs to be wrong. There's no way this row is this 5, man. There's no
I
way.
think it's because it's even. It's like odd. Because it's divided by 5, 46. Yes, it's odd. So it's an integer division, you see? Oh, divide by with it.
Yeah, he's suggesting to divide by this.
I don't even know what are the indexes anymore, man.
No, but with it doesn't
No,
make any
with
sense,
it.
right?
No, with it makes sense because with it is the
23. Yeah, it seems
yeah.
correct
It's
now,
the
but I'm
yeah
really confused now.
yeah. With it is the the y, right? In our case,
The
you
width
gotta
is the
remember that it's
second. The width is the second, which is 10.
yeah the y.
Oh, the way to get how many lines is to divide by... Yeah, I see it. I see it. Is to divide by width. Yeah, it makes sense now. But I think this is now wrong, though. You know why?
Hmm?
Because this is the 22, and this is the 23. And as far as I can tell, Commander said that it will get the first,
22,
but it's getting the
23.
last.
Well, you can just do the width. No, you can get you can get x minus that.
X minus, what do you mean, man?
Yeah, the length of the board, the things you have the width. You have the dimensions. You can just do the math.
No, you're not getting my point. My point is that Commander said that this would return the first row that has only once, but this is returning the last, not the first.
He meant the first row by the bottom because that makes sense. But
No. This has 24 lines,
I'm pretty
but
sure
we start counting from 0.
it's returning the first,
I
but
don't know.
with the off by 1.
Oh, so it's this minus 1?
No. Wait. Maybe my names are wrong.
No, the
Off
names are wrong. He's talking about width and height, man.
off by 1 error. I'm pretty sure.
I don't know if that's gonna make a difference at all. By the way, let's just game. Just play the game.
You can just call that on
Yes.
a board, right?
23, 24.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, those are the lines that are like that should be
Oh,
replaced.
what the heck is? See that?
Okay, got rid of everything.
He got rid of everything. And it
Why?
is
What the
minus
heck?
1 here. This is wrong. It is minus 1 here. So minus all of this by 1. Okay. So it is starting counting from 0, which is really weird. Uh,
Bing, bing, bing. What can I say?
Let's continue playing the game. Let's see if that happens again.
Probably will. You're being too
Again?
again the same. Oh man, you're so lucky. What the heck?
Again. Okay.
Okay, it sucks.
Again.
Ah no man, no, this is a meme. No.
Okay, now we have a straight.
Oh man, I'm going blind looking at this.
Okay. Again.
Yeah, just put it there, it doesn't matter.
No, it matters.
Yeah, this one you can quite
Okay.
entertaining actually, apart from my retina being depleted.
uh. Uh. Oh,
Everything
we
here.
can no, we can make one. We can make one. That's fine. Just put this and go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is the
Ev-
moment of truth.
No, the
So,
next turn.
yeah, the next will be the... You shouldn't clear everything. What happened?
Um,
I'm
um,
lost.
nothing.
Yeah, nothing printed. What the hell?
Can you hear? Can you hear your fans or something? Probably it's stuck in a loop or something.
No, no, it's fine.
Ctrl-C,
Q.
Ctrl-C, yeah, Q.
I can't Q. I think particle broke.
Yeah, probably was a infinite loop.
I think particle just said no. I'm done.
Let me stop, please.
I didn't save it.
Emac, trust that Emac saved you, please.
Oh no, man.
Please trust that it. Well, we have the video. On the worst case scenario, we can go.
No, man. That would be the worst.
You exceeded the maximum error depth. Rare thing. Everything here is weird, man. Did you notice?
Yeah, we lost everything.
Check if Emacs doesn't have a save buffer.
How can I check that?
Control X, Control F. And where's the thing? Where's the file?
We were using the scratch file, by the way.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Wait, we were typing all the time in the scratch file?
Yeah.
So yeah, we lost it.
Nice.
So we now need to go through the video, backtracking and copying everything.
Oh man. Okay, let's finish for today. And
What
let's.
a defeat, man. What a defeat. Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
gonna at least we have the recording. Imagine if we didn't record. Imagine.
Yeah. Yeah,
Let me
I'm
just
very
check
thankful.
OBS, man. Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh,
That's
please.
great.
Yeah, stop the recording now, please. Stop
Okay.
and save that, please.
Okay, so I guess this is the end. We already passed the 2 hour mark. So yeah, so I guess bye archive.